All right, here we go. Example number 4. All right, example number 4 says we have the natural log of 3x minus 2 plus the natural log of x minus 1 is equal to 2 natural log of x. Okay? And we're asked to solve that. Now I know an easy way to solve this. I got to think about this. They ask us to solve it using a calculator, using the graphing calculator. And then I think for example number 5, no they don't. So we could solve this, I'm going to show you how to solve it algebraically and then we'll go through and we'll graph it. Somebody did this, they were like, no, Mr. Adams, no. So the first thing that I want to do, well, you know what, let's just do it the way the book says, okay? So if I subtract this, minus 2, the natural log of x from both sides. I get the natural log of 3x minus 2 plus the natural log of x minus 1 minus the natural log of 2, or 2 times the natural log of x equals 0. Now there's one way that we could solve this using exponential functions, but since on the last function we just did it graphically, how would I enter that into my graphing calculator and solve? I just enter that in as a function and then look for where the x-intercept, right? That's the 0 of the function, if I were to use my graphing calculator. So let's do that. So what I would do is I'd come in here. It's almost identical to what we did the last time, except I don't need to plug in the second equation. So here we set it equal to 2, right? But I don't need to do that. So I'm just going to say the natural log of, what was it, 3x minus 1? Yeah? 2. Oh, cranky. So it was 2, and it was plus what? The natural log of what?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. It's good to see that you're awake. And then was it minus 2 times the natural log of x?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. And so now I'm going to hit graph. Oh, SpaghettiOs. So now I gotta come in here. Oh man, it's taking forever. We want to know when y equals 0, so I should probably go from like -1 to 3. All right, now let's see what we have. All right, where does that look like it's crossing? When x equals 2, right? So that's probably the solution. So just to verify, I'm going to hit second trace, which brings up my calculate menu. What option do I choose? I forget.
Number 5.
Number 5?
0.
0. What do you mean? You mean option number 2, find the 0? Is that what you mean? Okay, good. Yay! It's like an episode of Barney. So now the left boundary, I got to bring this in so it's just a little bit to the left, and then it says right boundary, so a little bit to the right. Boom, somewhere in the middle. 0 occurs when x equals 2. When x equals 2, y equals 0. Does that make sense? Any questions for Mr. Adams?